Problem 16. What is the volume of a shipping box that is 4 inches long, 3.5 inches wide, and 6.5 inches tall? The box is going to be a rectangular prism. So let's draw it. That might be the worst one I've drawn yet. Okay, 4 inches long, 3.5 inches wide, and 6.5 inches tall. So this distance between the bases is 6.5. Formula for volume of a rectangular prism: volume equals length times width times height. So volume equals 4 times 3.5 times 6.5. I'm going to write those as decimals. 4 times 3.5 times 6.5. Let's do this first. 3.5 times 4. 5 times 4 is 20. Carry the 2. 3 times 4 is 12. Plus 2 is 14. 1 decimal here. No decimals here, so 1 in our answer. So this is 14 times 6.5. 14 times 6.5. I'm ignoring the decimal. 4 times 5 is 20. Carry the 2. 1 times 5 is 5. Plus 2 is 7. Now I'm in the tens place. 4 times 6 is 24. Carry the 2. 1 times 6 is 6. Plus 2 is 8. 0, 11. Carry the 1, 9. No decimal places here. 1 decimal place here. 1 in our answer. So the volume equals 91.0 or 91. Inches cubed. 91 inches cubed. Number 17. The perimeter of a square is 50 feet. What is the area of this square? Well, area equals question mark. Perimeter equals 50. We don't know the sides. We don't know how long the sides are yet. But if you look at formula for perimeter, perimeter equals 4s. So 4 of those sides, 4 times the length of the side equals 50. We can undo this multiplication by dividing by 4. If you're multiplying by 4, you can undo that multiplication with the inverse operation, which is division. 4 divided by 4 is 1, so s equals 50 divided by 4. 50 divided by 4. There's 1, 4, and 5. Subtracting, I get 1. Bring down the 0, that's 10. There's 2 4s and 10. And I want to keep dividing, so I add a decimal in my answer also, and I can add a 0. Bring down that 0, and there are 5 4s and 20. So the side length is 12.5. But then we're trying to find area, so area equals side squared. Area equals 12.5 squared. So 12.5 times 12.5, I'm going to do it over here. Ignore the decimals at first. 5 times 5 is 25, carry the 2. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 2 is 12, carry the 1. 1 times 5 is 5, plus 1 is 6. I'm in the tens place now. 5 times 2 is 10, carry the 1. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. 1 times 2 is 2. Now I'm in the hundreds place, 2 zeros. 5 times 1 is 1. 5 times 1 is 5, 2 times 1 is 2, and 1 times 1 is 1. Add those all up, we get. And then there's 1 decimal place here, 1 decimal place here, so 2 in our answer. So the area equals 156.25 feet squared. Area is square feet. Remember, area is how many squares will fill in that shape. And then number 18, how do you find the volume of any prism or cylinder? The volume formula that they all share is big B times H. So to describe this answer, you would say volume equals, big B is area of the base. Area of the base times the height of the prism, of the cylinder or prism. Because the area of the base will depend on the shape of the base. Whether it's a cylinder and it's a circle, or a triangular prism and it's a triangle, then you multiply that area times the height of the prism. Okay, that does it for the review. Good luck on the test. See you tomorrow.